I'm Don from DIY Life Tech, and today we're going to take a look at how to set up the Swiffer Power Mop. So you're going to get it in a box like this. Our first step is to open up the box. So here's our pieces after we open up the box. Our first step is just going to be to remove this little piece of cardboard that protects the port where we insert the bottle. Now we're going to start to put the handle together. So this piece goes in first into the bottom unit there. Then the top piece here, this is actually going to click together. You can see this little kind of button goes in, and we're going to put the handle in right on top of that. And I found I kind of had to push the wire in to the bottom part here. I kind of folded the wire and pushed it down in there. So you can see it's a little folded up in there to make sure that these go together. And then again, we're just going to push this down, and we want to make sure that it clicks over that little button. Here we go. And that should click right into place so that that pops through the little hole. You might need to move it around. Perfect. And then we're going to give a click down at the bottom here. Give this a solid push. Make sure it's clicked in as well. This shouldn't be able to be pulled in or out easily. It should be locked in. Again, just push it in until it clicks. This should click into place. And then we've got the handle of the device all ready to go. Now let's install the batteries. Honestly, this part I found to be one of the most confusing. So there's this extra little battery pack in the box. Mine had fallen off when my Swiffer Power Mop arrived, so I couldn't find it at first. We're gonna take this, we're gonna take the batteries that are included, they're inside of the bag, and we're gonna take the batteries and put them into this little thing first. So make sure they're aligned properly. It shows in here which way to put them. We'll put this in, and then this part is going to click into the back of the Swiffer Power Mop. So we got to have this upside down, basically. And then this whole battery compartment is going to slide in. It's a little bit confusing. Actually, you know what? I think I even have it backwards here. Again, this is not so intuitive. Okay, there we go. Click in. Okay, batteries are good. So again, that might be the most confusing part so far, but that's how we do it. Now let's get our pad out. Here's the cleaning pad. You can see it has all of these cool little, almost like a traditional mop pieces to it. So it's gonna have a lot of surface area for cleaning. There's gonna be this strip on the back. We're gonna go to the end piece here on the Power Mop, and we're gonna go ahead and put this so that the little mop strips face towards the floor when we go to use this. And just press it on, and it should click in on there easily so that it's nicely held in place. It doesn't have to be perfect, but that should be on there fairly well now. So flip it back over. Final step, we're gonna take the Power Mop bottle, put the purple side down, it's the cleaning solution, and we're just gonna click this in until it locks in place, and it shouldn't be able to pop back out again. That's in there now, and we should now be good to go. So there's our Power Mop. We've got our end piece with the button here, the handle. So I'm gonna press this button. You might have to hold it down for a moment. It's gonna start pumping the cleaning solution through. There we go, sprays it out onto the floor, and then we can go ahead and mop our floors there. This spins and swivels around so you can get under surfaces, and we are good to go. So that's our setup process for the Swiffer Power Mop.